How to use Verizon TravelPass feature. To use the Verizon TravelPass feature, you first of all have to select your TravelPass tier and plan perks. Once you select it, you simply have to now use the text message sort code. Open your device's native texting application or tap on this phone or open the phone application. Then tap on the keypad option, then proceed to type 4004 and give this number a call and follow the automated prompt confirmations. Or what you can also do is launch the My Verizon application on a device, tap on the account icon in the bottom menu corner, and then select the specific phone line traveling abroad. Then scroll to the Plans and Add-ons section and select the Manage Add-ons and search for TravelPass. Then tap Add to Line and confirm the checkout. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.